Hey, this is Sam, CEO and co-founder of BuddyBoss, and in this video, I want to give you updates on what we've been up to at BuddyBoss, and there's so much to talk about. The BuddyBoss app launch has been a huge learning experience for our product team, our support team, and the company overall. Over the last few months, and during this intense product launch, we've had tons of conversations about how we can ensure we hit our targets going forward, how we can build more certainty, predictability, and efficiency within our product team, how we can get caught up with our roadmap goals on the BuddyBoss platform and theme, and how we can level up our customer support experience. So in this video, I'll tell you about how we are transforming BuddyBoss, what the future looks like, the future of the BuddyBoss platform, the impact of the BuddyBoss app launch, what we've learned from the launch and the change we're implementing in the company, how we're leveling up our customer experience, and how we're reshaping our product team. I will also introduce some new team members whose faces will start showing up more in this channel and who are already creating a huge impact at BuddyBoss. And lastly, I will talk to you about the new BuddyBoss Member Community. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button so you can always stay up to date with what's happening at BuddyBoss. The last few months have been nothing short of crazy, and my team and I have been working harder than ever to serve you all while launching one of the most innovative products in the WordPress ecosystem and in the e-learning and online community space. Launching such a complex and innovative product after 4.5 years of development proved to be more difficult than we anticipated. But thanks to the BuddyBoss team's hard work and perseverance, everything is coming together, and the dream of being able to help hundreds and thousands of businesses take advantage of the power of mobile apps is now becoming more real than ever. The BuddyBoss app is a dream come true for us, and it's bringing innovation that has not been seen before in the WordPress ecosystem. We launched the BuddyBoss app plugin, the BuddyBoss mobile app, tons of documentation including dozens of video and written tutorials. We launched the BuddyBoss Academy, the BuddyBoss app's build system, and the developer access functionality, allowing developers to build custom mobile apps using the BuddyBoss app as a foundation. And we also launched our Done For You app service and our publishing service. Launching all of these product components and services ended up being a bigger task than we anticipated. And to be honest, the launch didn't go as smooth as we wanted it to. We experienced delays which caused us to delay some BuddyBoss platform and theme features. And the fact that the BuddyBoss app is not your typical WordPress plugin or theme meant that there was a lot of pressure on our support team to assist you all with the many questions you had and with resolving conflicts with other plugins or hosting environments that couldn't have been anticipated. Because of those delays, we decided to make March and April free of subscription payments for the BuddyBoss app, which means that the product and service were completely free during these 2 months. Added to all that was the COVID situation in India, which continues to impact many of our developers that are key players when it comes to helping our support team resolve issues and respond with speed. This caused even more delays and frustration with our support service. But our team stayed strong and focused, and we've worked hard to resolve the situation and put everything quickly back on track. Over the last month, we've pushed out over 20 updates to the BuddyBoss app product, resolving the majority of the key issues that were reported and were preventing customers from publishing their apps. It's been incredibly rewarding to see dozens of customers already publish their mobile app to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store over the last few weeks. And our team will soon launch an app showcase where we will feature live mobile apps that are powered by the BuddyBoss app. Reading the comments from customers publishing their app has been amazing to see. It's like after all these years of hard work and sleepless nights, it's finally happening. What we've worked so hard for is now real. We're creating a real impact for our customers and allowing them to do what many of them simply couldn't do prior to the BuddyBoss app. But this launch has been a huge experience for us. So let me tell you about the actions we're taking at BuddyBoss to ensure we hit our targets going forward and build more certainty, predictability, and efficiency within our product team. And I will also tell you about how we're leveling up our customer experience and how we're renewing our focus on the success of our customers. 6 months ago, we were fortunate to bring in Mike Young, our product manager, who played a key role in helping us get caught up with the delays related to the BuddyBoss app launch, and who is now playing an important role in reshaping our product team. Mike is a rock star when it comes to product management, and he's been using BuddyBoss products for years. He also was a customer of our mobile app agency. Mike has been in the BuddyBoss customer's shoes for years and had a huge list of things he wanted to see improved in BuddyBoss products. And when I offered him the position at BuddyBoss, he was thrilled at the idea of having the ability to directly impact BuddyBoss products. Let's hear from Mike.
Hey everyone, I'm really excited to be working here at BuddyBoss. I've been working with BuddyBoss and previously BuddyPress for over 10 years. And as Tom mentioned, I am thrilled to be part of the team driving the BuddyBoss vision forward. I've worked in many product teams across multiple industries, and I'm excited to bring this experience to BuddyBoss to help the product team unlock its full potential. In just a few short years, BuddyBoss has become one of the biggest names in the WordPress community and helped entrepreneurs, businesses, and hobbyists reach their communities in really powerful ways. Yet there is so much more for us to do, and we want to do it all. We want to build BuddyBoss bigger, and we want to do it faster. So to do this, I am leading a number of efforts to improve our productivity and deliver more value to you, our customers. The first of which is a new system for collecting and reviewing your ideas and feedback. This means that every one of your ideas will be reviewed as we plan and scope new features. There is also a new and improved roadmap for you to share your ideas and for me to post regular updates on the progress of the features on it. We have also been working on improving the structure and processes our team follow in order to ensure that all development is scoped and tested thoroughly so that you can be confident in the updates we release. We've been increasing the overall size of our QA team, having already hired a new QA manager, as well as increasing the total number of QAs in the team. And lastly, we've created a team who will focus purely on performance and security to help BuddyBoss community scale bigger than ever. These efforts are going to have a huge difference at BuddyBoss, but they are going to take some time to implement, so we really appreciate your patience. I can't wait to connect and share with you more over the coming months, and in the meanwhile, I look forward to reading all of your ideas and feedback. I'll see you all soon.
To help Mike achieve even more of his vision, we're now working with our process analysts to reshape how our product team functions and streamline our process so we can bring a lot more efficiency and predictability to our projects going forward. Our roadmap also just got a complete makeover. A roadmap is a way for us to be transparent with our customer base and to show you guys what we're working on next and what goals we're shooting for. Since the launch of the BuddyBoss platform and theme back in June 2019, we've always been on track and we're constantly able to hit our roadmap goals. We've even launched a number of features that were not even initially part of the roadmap. However, over the last few months, although we didn't intend for it to go this way, we had no choice but to slow down on the BuddyBoss platform and theme development to be able to pull off the BuddyBoss app launch. We had promised to deliver the BuddyBoss app, and we had to do everything in our power to deliver on the promise. But during that time, we learned that transparency can sometimes be a double-edged sword. We want to share our vision and let customers get excited about our plans for new features, and having a product roadmap can be a really great way to achieve that. But a roadmap can also have the negative effect of setting unrealistic expectations in the minds of our customers, so when we inevitably have to delay development, shuffle, and even remove features, it's disappointing for us, but it's also disappointing for you, especially if you're waiting patiently for a particular feature. It's important to remember that even though a roadmap is not a promise to deliver a particular feature in a particular time frame, we want these features as much as you do. Of course, we will have to remove or delay items from time to time, but we want our products to be the best that they can be, to provide you with the best tools available to help you in being successful with your online business. This is what drives us to build such an innovative product like the BuddyBoss app, and it's also what drives us to continuously improve the BuddyBoss platform and theme. Today, the BuddyBoss platform is powering over 23,000 online communities and e-learning websites. And we're excited to continue to evolve the BuddyBoss platform over the months and years to come. We've come a long way from the BuddyPress and BBPress plugins to the BuddyBoss platform. We've completely transformed and leveled up the experience of creating online communities on WordPress, and we will continue to do so in the months and years to come. When you look at the big picture, considering how far the product has come over the recent years, a slowdown of 3 to 6 months may have a short-term impact, but will feel like nothing over a longer period of time. It's also important to note that even though the BuddyBoss app can run without the BuddyBoss platform, the platform is still the engine of the BuddyBoss app's community features. So going forward, we'll be developing new features in tandem. Features will be built into the BuddyBoss platform, and then they will appear in the BuddyBoss theme and the BuddyBoss app. The team is now resuming more aggressive development in the BuddyBoss platform, and you will progressively start seeing new features being launched, including some of the long-awaited ones. And later this week, we'll be introducing a new way for customers to suggest and vote for new features, and a new way for us to share our development roadmap with all of you. The new roadmap will allow you to continually contribute your ideas and feedback, and our product team will be keeping each feature on the roadmap up to date, posting regular progress updates, and looking for your feedback as the features are being developed. We also just launched a new BuddyBoss beta program, which will allow you to have early access to upcoming releases of the BuddyBoss theme, platform, and Platform Pro. This beta program will start with the beta release of our new video uploading feature. We just published a video that tells you all about the beta program, and you'll find a link to the video in the description below. This big product launch has also triggered a number of internal conversations on how we can level up our customer support and experience. The launch came with its own support challenges, and we had to urgently think about ways we could increase efficiency and ways we can improve the experience for our customers going forward. Our new customer support manager, Graham, helped lead many of these conversations. Graham has been a BuddyBoss customer for years and was super excited to join the BuddyBoss team and to be able to directly impact how we serve and support our customers. Graham played a key role in helping our product team resolve issues and conflicts customers were having as we aggressively pushed updates to the BuddyBoss app over the last month. And now, Graham is playing an important role in transforming how we do customer support at BuddyBoss. Let's see what Graham was to say.
Thanks for the introduction, Tom, and hey everybody. As mentioned, I've been a customer for many years, going back to BuddyBoss's first Boss theme and a BuddyBoss platform, and then app customer from day one of release. And if you are part of the BuddyBoss Facebook group, then you'll know I've been an actively participating member, helping customers and clients in there for years now. So when Tom offered me the opportunity to work at BuddyBoss, I was absolutely delighted. You see, one of the biggest praises I've always given BuddyBoss over the years is the incredible support team. They've often gone above and beyond for me in the past, so I knew I'd have a fantastic team to begin with. Upon launch, the BuddyBoss app did open the floodgates with a lot of support inquiries as we started to see customers asking questions around specific scenarios or plugin combinations, or needing assistance with their developer accounts, or just understanding and working with the branding and the menus. This, along with the unique setup of every single customer, definitely has had an impact on services, and so we're addressing this in several ways. First of all, we're increasing our team sizes, adding 10 new members of support to our first line team, and these are the frontline champions who answer your initial queries, get your login credentials, and communicate with you on an ongoing basis while our technical team work on the issue. Within our Tier 2 team, we focused on in-house testing and training as they become our subject matter experts with not only the BuddyBoss app, but also how it works with third-party plugins and integrations. Their technical skills and confidence also means we'll soon be offering Zoom calls for app customers who do need extra and additional assistance with their app developer account configuration. Finally, we added a brand new Tier 3 team of WordPress developers to give us that one extra level of escalation, speeding up ticket resolutions and freeing up our app developers to focus on building app features and resolving conflicts. This new team is still currently onboarding and completing their training right now, but should be with us by the end of the month. Beyond the increase of staff, we're also improving our systems and processes internally, which all aim on improving response times, communication to customers, and removing any friction or repetition between our teams and you, the customer. All this to say is we are constantly looking to level up our customer experience. We want to continuously raise that bar and show a level of support that is unheard of in the WordPress world. We want to be more accessible, more responsive, and ensure that you have the confidence to know that every single support ticket with BuddyBoss is always moving forward. I'm excited to see the future of BuddyBoss, the app and the platform, and I hope you are too. I look forward to seeing you, whether it's through tickets or in the BuddyBoss communities. But if you do have any feedback or suggestions, please don't hesitate to share them.
And we also have a number of other improvements we hope to make to the customer support experience over the coming months. Ultimately, the success of our customers is our top priority at BuddyBoss, And even with all the changes that we're implementing, we've really started thinking about new ways to help our customers be more successful when using BuddyBoss products. Meet Jason, one of our latest additions to the team. Jason has also been a customer of BuddyBoss for years and has recently joined us as our customer success manager. Within just a few weeks of joining the team, and thanks to his passion for helping customers and his passion for BuddyBoss products, he's already creating a huge impact. Hey Jason, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you're implementing at BuddyBoss?
Hey there, I'm Jason, Customer Success Manager here at BuddyBoss. As Tom's already said, I've been a customer of BuddyBoss for many years, and so as one of the newest recruits here to the team, it's been really exciting to come and see what this organization really looks like from the inside. In the short time that I've been here, I've been absolutely blown away by the passion and dedication that this group of people has for helping you to achieve more in your businesses and your communities. In the 10 years that I've been working with WordPress, I've never seen a more hardworking and dedicated team, and I'm honestly honored to have been asked to come and take up my position here. So what is that position? And what does having a customer success manager mean for you, the customer? BuddyBoss is seeing a period of rapid growth right now. We're seeing more customers invest in our products than we ever have before, and we've also doubled the size of our internal team here over the last few months. So that means I have two key areas of focus. The first is for me to make sure that the voice of the customer is the first and last voice heard in every conversation and discussion that we have internally. We're scoping out the new roadmap. What do customers want to see? We're wireframing a new user interface. What will help our customers achieve their outcomes quicker and easier? We're exploring a new revenue stream. Should that take priority over something that customers already need now? Every department within the organization has already been focused on delivering what customers want and need, but now you have somebody whose entire job is focused on exactly that. My second area of focus is to identify and create whatever resources, systems, and processes will help you to achieve the outcomes you need to be successful with your courses, memberships, and communities, and create the best experience that we possibly can as you move along your journey as a BuddyBoss customer. Some of the projects that I'm working on at the minute include building and launching a whole new onboarding experience to help you get up and running faster, including live group sessions and one-to-ones. I'll also be working closely with Graham to start hosting live trainings and workshops on specific areas that we know we can help you in. And of course, we'll be working together closely on the upcoming launch of the BuddyBoss community. That's it from me for now. You're going to be seeing a lot more of me over the coming months, and everyone else too if I have anything to say about it.
With all the changes we're implementing, how we're transforming the way we work, how far we've come with the BuddyBoss app, the BuddyBoss platform and theme, and all the new team members joining BuddyBoss, we're all super excited about the future of the company, and we think you should be too. Our team will continue to innovate, improve existing products, and launch new products and services that provide community builders, online course creators, and membership program owners with the tools they need to be more successful with their online businesses. We have a number of other new services and products planned or in the works, and we can't wait to make them all available to you. Now that the BuddyBoss app is fully launched and that our team is resuming aggressive development on the BuddyBoss platform and theme, we're excited to announce that we will be launching the new BuddyBoss Member Community in Q3 of this year. The BuddyBoss community will be powered by the BuddyBoss platform and theme as well as the BuddyBoss app, and we can't wait to welcome you all in this brand new community platform. Be sure to go to buddyboss.com/community launch to register so you can be notified as soon as we're ready for you. That's it for this April-May update. Our team is super excited to serve you all and continue to provide you with innovative products that can help create an impact in the success of your online communities, courses, and membership programs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can always stay up to date with what's happening at BuddyBoss.